Abuja. The Arewa youth don't blow out. He don't talk now, say make the Ondo State governor make him warn himself for this country. Make him the mind waiting go dey talk for here. Say in fact they don't want hear anything again from him mouth again. Wetin Akeredolu talk? You know say Akeredolu na the chairman of the governor for Southwest. Akeredolu talk say make this issue of president to make them dey rotate am, say no be say na not and then produce the one wey we dey use for 8 years. Say okay for this one wey we wan produce, so make Southwest too make them bring out one candidate, and ask East to bring out one candidate wey be say go represent us for this country, since na say na democracy we dey practice for this country. Na wetin im talk be that. Arewa youth come carry am for head. Arewa youth come blow say what nonsense. Wetin you dey follow us talk? What are you saying? Are you telling us say we should take second position for this country? Don't you know our position in this country? Don't you know say now we plenty pass for this country? Don't you know say in fact now we dey for power for this country? Don't you know say now our region big pass for this country? Now wetin Arewa youth dey use to reply Akeredolu? I ain't be that. They talk say in fact for the next president we go come for this 23, so na them go still produce the next president, and them get people wey plenty pass. In fact their votes for only for their state alone can make a candidate a president. Akeredolu come talk say hey, anybody wey you bring say wan become the next president and all the Southwest no support am, say they no go become president. I heard they talk say na them plenty pass. Anybody wey them bring for ground go become president. Akeredolu talk say na Southwest president go come from, so they come dey drag issue between ourselves. Say okay na North go produce, so Southwest go produce, so Southeast go produce, so anybody wey like wey wan produce the next president. My own be say anybody wey fit do am well, na them and na that person we go follow for this country. No matter your religion, no matter your tribe, you don do enough. Wey we say Nigeria now, it don do us enough. Say make we stop to dey follow tribe, religion or religion for this country now. Na religion na we follow wey carry us where we dey now. Make we stop that kind of thing now. And make I talk something to this Arewa youth. But be like say na democracy we dey practice for this country. This issue of presidency suppose dey rotate to each region. No be say na only one person go dey produce this president stuff. E suppose to dey rotate from now. Not produce for 8 years. Make the Southwest produce all the Southeast too to produce. Anybody wey they know say they capable. Maybe na Tinubu or na Osinbajo or na anybody wey they know say they capable to take us to the promised land. Make them produce am for ground. That one for one side. Now election don dey come now. Election don dey come now. All our leaders now, they no see our own to think again for this country. In case you no know say nothing wey dey happen now, this issue of killings wey dey happen for this country now don become norms, don become daily routine, don become something wey say don become like common news for this country. So all our leaders now no see anything to do, to talk, to curb all this issue of insecurity now. And these people no know say na person wey dey alive dey vote. Na person wey see something chop dey stand to dey vote. They know that one though. People wey be say everywhere now no dey safe for this country. People no fit come out again. People no fit stand again. People no fit walk alone for night again. People go dey fear kidnappers, fear bandits, fear Boko Haram now. They come dey run say okay they wan make people vote for them, or then they do campaign, they do everything. Don't forget our lives. Say that their hand in there. Of recent, yesterday, for Katsina State, bandits killed 17 people. 17 people dem kill dem, and if police come, our soldier now come catch those bandits now, they go come dem report am to Boko Haram. North now, wetin happen for north? Killings here and there, dey happen for north. Those people for there, they no even think say okay, wetin we go do. Or I never hear for once make this Arewa youths or what they call them to talk say okay, how we go solve this issue of insecurity wey dey battle them for north. No, the only thing wey they concerned about na to remain in power. For southwest here also, wetin we dey do to cover all this kind of thing? Wetin we dey do? Issue of kidnappings, everything dey happen 247, but our leaders now how to they are thinking of how to retain power, how to enter power, how to become the next president of this country. And we masses, our life no dey safe. Yet again, they go still use us. Now we masses, some more masses, they go still use, some more youth they go still use to the snatch boxes, to the snatch, what they call am, ballot paper for election day. When we say this sufferness, now everybody in there rich. I don't get issue to anybody. And why you don't talk, you want to say make Akeredolu one himself. Akeredolu himself don't fire back, say this issue of presidency supposed to rotate as per se na democracy na we do for this country. Me, I want to say anybody we go do am well. Anybody we go solve this issue of killing so they happen 247. Anybody we go solve the issue of say this dollar dey rise, this thing dey fall. Anybody we go solve the issue of say food dey cost, gas na 700, everything. Anybody we go solve am, and that person could become the next president. Make we don't stop, we don't wise for this country, we don't wise. You know say now, Akeredolu talk say PDP dey, APC dey, APGA dey for southwest. Say one of them should produce the next president. Me, I talk say all of them na the same thing. PDP, APC, APGA, they be the same thing. If PDP do and well that time, APC no go collect seats. If APC do and well, PDP no go, they blame them. Dollar now, dollar is 580. APGA now too, don't dey on ground now. If they do, if all them do and well, this country no go be like this. Me I talk say anybody we go do and well, na them go vote for this country. My name na MC Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Thank you.